What going on, too? King Improvement back again with another video. We gotta replace your habits. Nah, for real though. I talked about this before. Only key money. Uh, let's get into it. All right. Now I ain't gonna lie to the average person. The average person probably got some messed up habits, bro. Like, cause I ain't gonna lie. I used to have some messed up habits, and some of our habits we do on purpose. Some of them we don't even know we doing them. Like some of them we just do it because we so used to doing it. Like you might even catch yourself just scrolling on TikTok. You might look up, damn, I've been on TikTok scrolling for like an hour. Like, damn, or I didn't do this, or damn, I forgot to do this. Gang, your habits, your habits are a part of you, bro. Like, your habits is what make you you. Damn near, like, your habits is what dictates your life, bro. You get what I'm saying? Like, in a way, like, if your habits fucked up, your external damn near gonna be fucked up, cause your habits fucked up. Your thoughts become your actions. Your actions become your habits. So if all of that shit started from inside your mind and this is bad, your external damn gonna be bad because this started from your bad mind, with them bad habits, with them bad thoughts, with them bad actions. You get what I'm saying? Then not only that, bro, when you build good habits, that shit can change your life. Like reading, instead of you waking up and smoking, you wake up and read a book, like little shit like that, like versus you smoking, hurting your lungs, versus you reading and gaining some knowledge. Why wouldn't you want better habits? You feel what I'm saying? It's like I said, that goes back to the more health, more knowledge, more love, and more wealth. If your habits don't lead to those four things, don't do that. Let me say it again. If your habits don't lead to more knowledge, more love, more wealth, or more health, don't do it. Cause if it don't lead to them things, then it's not beneficial for you. It's not bettering you. It's bringing you down. You get what I'm saying? It's bringing you down. So it's like when you gotta recognize what you're doing. And this is why it's important to know yourself, to know your patterns, to know the way you think, to know what habits bring out this part of me, or to know that if I do this, it's gonna lead to this. If I don't do this, then I'm not gonna want to do this. If I don't do this, then I can't do this. Like you gotta real life lock in with yourself and see, because a lot of times as humans, we've been doing shit for so long, we subconsciously just keep on doing it, not even realize like, damn, I really just doing this. Like we really just doing this. And let's go. Like I said, it's not about being perfect. It's about making progress. So yesterday you spent 2 hours on TikTok. Today you spent 10 minutes. Today you spent the hour. Like you don't gotta be perfect, but just make sure that you are aware of what you're doing. Make sure that you're at least trying to make progress. Progress is what it is, bro. It's not about being perfect in results immediately. It's about you making progress and that you're trying. Okay, that's what it's about, you boys. That's what it's about. Like I changed my habits around, bro. Like nigga, like I said, nigga was going through. Nigga used to wake up in the morning. Nigga wake up. Sometimes I still do this shit on accident. Sometimes I might wake up in the morning, instantly pull up my phone and just start. I might go to IG. I might check my emails. I might go to whatever. I gotta catch myself. Like nah, bro. What I'm doing? I just woke up. Nah, bro. What I'm doing? Like this gonna fuck my day up. Nah, I can't start my day like this. Let me put this down. You get what I'm saying? Like if you do have bad habits, be aware of your bad habits. Like catch yourself. Like nah, bro. I'm not doing that shit. Like remind yourself. Like you gotta be. Like I said, bro. You the only nigga that can change this shit. So you gotta be on your ass, bro. Like you gotta yeah. Like make yourself change this shit. And that's if you want to change. Some people are comfortable where they at. Not everybody. Like I said, bro. I said this before. Not everybody's made to become a millionaire. Not everybody's made to become rich. Not everybody made to be financially stable. Not everybody made to live this place. Like sometimes niggas just good where they at. Sometimes niggas just not meant for everybody. Not and like I said, bro. If you genuinely want to upgrade, if you genuinely want to thrive, and you genuinely want to keep going, you're gonna change your ways. You're gonna look in the mirror or not even that, if you done took enough losses and you finally done reflecting and learning, and you ready to change yourself, bro, that's yeah, like that's good, bro. Like you finally tired of that shit. Some niggas ain't been through enough to want to change, or some niggas don't have no drive to change or be better. You get what I'm saying? As in like better themselves. They might think they doing something like by chasing money, but that's not, you're not really doing nothing. You're not really bettering yourself. You're just chasing materialistic paper. You feel me? Don't forget money's a tool. People be idolizing money like it's just, no, that shit is a tool to get you here, here, here. This is a tool to get you to the next step. Okay? Simple. Like I said, your habits are everything, bro. If you got some fucked up habits, you gonna have some fucked up days. I'm just letting you know, like, if most likely, if your habits, if you got some bad habits, bro, your mental is most likely bad because your habits are bad. Like I said, everything's a thought before it becomes an action. You get what I'm saying? Ooh, hold on. Ooh, everything's a thought before it becomes action. Oh my gosh, no, like actually though, like even this car, like somebody thought about this idea in their head, like, damn, we need some transportation, we need a vehicle. I see it, 4 wheels, and they made it happen. They made it in real life, and now what it is, a car. So that's just like your habits. Like you got these bad habits that's leading to nothing, and you go look up and be like, damn, like why my life messed up? Nigga, look at your habits. Look at what you're putting into your body. Look at what you're thinking about. Duh. Like, come on now, bro. Like, we gotta do better, and it's good because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help y'all. I'm here to give y'all knowledge. I'm here to help y'all, and I'm here to help y'all become the best version of yourselves. While I'm becoming my best version of myself. I'm already the best version of myself, but we still getting better every day. We're becoming better every single day. It's never, yeah, this is the best. I'm just gonna stop. I think I'm good now. It's never, nah, I'm good. You're never gonna be good enough to just stop, and you can always learn more. You can always keep getting smarter. You can never max out your potential. Like the brain is so smart. Like you can never just, nah, I'm good. I already know what that is. Nah, bro, perfect the craft. Like it's never too much. It's never too late. None of that. Yeah, it's never too late, bro. If you watching this, you 50, it's not too late, gang. It's never too late. Some niggas don't even touch. Some niggas don't really become successful until 50. Some niggas become successful at 21. Some niggas become successful at 30. Like, excuse me. Like, it's about you, bro. It's about you. Do you wanna? Do you really want to change, or you like being comfortable? And of course, when you finally realize and what's the word? When you finally realize and see your habits, of course it's gonna be uncomfortable to just change them like that. Of course it's comfortable to just wake up in the morning and Instagram on your phone. That's damn near muscle memory for you at this point. But you gotta be comfortable, uncomfortable. Okay? You can't always stay comfortable for the rest of your life. You're not gonna get nowhere if you're just comfortable for the rest of your life. It's just not how it works. You have to be uncomfortable. Okay? So if you have bad habits, changing them to new habits will become uncomfortable. But that uncomfortableness requires you to grow. Like I love uncomfortable situations. I thrive in uncomfortable situations. Like I literally thrive in uncomfortable situations. Like there's no loss. Like it can only push you to be better. You get what I'm saying? Excuse me, y'all boys. So yeah, man. Replace y'all habits. All right. Do not look in the past. Do not look or think about yesterday. We only looking forward. We only in the past. We only in the present. We only in the current moment. Like I said, I got a Patreon. I just started it. Link in bio. Let's get it. Key Improvement out. I hope y'all understood the message. And yeah.